Sniff, sniff. Leo? Do you smell that? It smells like burning plastic.
Oh, hello Sarah. Hello everyone. Don't panic. Everything is under control. I am just cooking.
Cooking? Leo, there is black smoke coming from the kitchen. What are you making?
I am making my special recipe. It is called spicy chocolate soup with garlic. It is a fusion dish.
Spicy chocolate and garlic? Leo, turn off the stove. Now. That is not fusion. That is a disaster. You are going to burn the studio down.
Okay. I turned it off. But I am so hungry, Sarah. My stomach is growling like a tiger. And now my soup is ruined.
Leo is hungry and dangerous in the kitchen. Are you like Leo? Do you burn water? Or maybe you travel and don't know how to order food in a restaurant? Food is life. You need to know how to talk about it. Look at the subscribe button. It is a menu. Click it to order your English lesson. Say, I will learn to cook with words, not fire. Are you ready to eat? Let's begin. First, we need to clean up this mess. Leo, let's talk about cooking verbs. You don't just put things in a pot. We need specific words.
I did chop the chocolate.
You don't chop chocolate for soup. Listen. To cut vegetables into small pieces, we say chop.
Chop. Like karate. Chop the onion.
Yes. To cook in hot water, like pasta, we say boil.
Boil. I boiled the chocolate. That was my mistake.
Exactly. Chocolate should be melted. And to cook in hot oil, like French fries, we say fry.
Fry. I love fried chicken. It is unhealthy but delicious.
And finally, to cook inside the oven, like a cake or bread, we say bake.
Bake. Okay. Chop, boil, fry, bake. I think I will stick to ordering.
Before we order, let's talk about taste. Your soup was unique. How did it taste?
It tasted interesting.
Use English, Leo. Repeat after me. Bitter. Bitter.
Bitter.
Full sentence. Coffee and dark chocolate are bitter.
Coffee and dark chocolate are bitter.
Next one. Sour. So. Are.
So. Are.
Full sentence. Lemons are very sour.
Lemons are very sour.
Next. Spicy. SPI, sigh.
SPI, sigh.
Full sentence. I love spicy chili peppers.
I love spicy chili peppers.
And bland. BLAND. Bland.
Bland.
This means no flavor. Boring food. Full sentence. This rice is bland.
This rice is bland. Like my life without pizza.
Okay, enough about bad food. Let's order dinner. We are going to a restaurant. Listen to the phrases. Phrase 1. When you look at the paper with food names. Can I see?
Can I see?
The menu, please?
The menu, please.
Full sentence. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Phrase 2. When you are ready to choose. I would like.
I would like.
To order now.
To order now.
Full sentence. I would like to order now.
I would like to order now.
Phrase 3. Asking for a specific dish. I will have.
I will have.
The steak, please.
The steak, please.
Full sentence. I will have the steak, please.
I will have the steak, please. Medium rare.
Phrase 4. Asking for a drink. Can I get?
Can I get?
A glass of water?
A glass of water.
Full sentence. Can I get a glass of water?
Can I get a glass of water? I need to wash away the taste of my soup.
Now, you need to understand the waiter. What will they ask you? They will ask, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am starving.
They will ask, for here or to go?
What does that mean?
For here means you eat in the restaurant. To go or take away means you take the food home. For here.
For here.
Or to go?
Or to go.
Full sentence. Is that for here or to go?
Is that for here or to go?
Okay, Leo. Let's roleplay. We are not cooking. We are at Luigi's Pizza. I am the waiter. You are the customer.
Okay. I love pizza. I am ready.
Welcome to Luigi's Pizza. Can I get you a table?
Yes, please. A table for one. I have no friends today because I made bad soup.
Right. Follow me. Here is the menu. Today's special is the seafood pizza.
Seafood? No thanks. Can I see the menu, please? Oh, I have it.
Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes. I would like a large pepperoni pizza.
Excellent choice. Would you like any extra toppings? We have mushrooms, peppers, onions.
Yes. Can I have pineapple?
Pineapple? On a pepperoni pizza? Leo, that is controversial. The Italians might cry.
I like sweet and salty. It is delicious. Don't judge me.
Okay, one pepperoni with pineapple. Anything to drink?
I will have a Coke, please. No ice.
Okay. Is that for here or to go?
For here. I cannot wait to go home. I need to eat now.
Very good. Your pizza will be ready in 15 minutes.
Thank you. And please, tell the chef, no chocolate.
I promise. No chocolate on the pizza.
Roleplay finished. I am so hungry now, Sarah.
Me too. You did a great job, Leo. You asked for a table, you ordered your food, and you answered the waiter's questions.
And I avoided a cooking disaster.
Listeners, food vocabulary is essential. Practice saying I would like and can I have. And please, never put garlic in chocolate soup.
Lesson learned. Try new foods, but order in English.
Wait. Leo ordered his pizza, but now the bill is coming. Do you know how to talk about money and prices in English? It is awkward if you can't pay. I explain everything about money vocabulary in this video right here. Click it to save your wallet.